Here's a question that keeps people awake at night. What if inflation doesn't go back to normal? What if the 2% we were promised becomes 4, 5, or even 6% for the next decade? Most retirement calculators assume inflation will behave, but what if it doesn't? Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like, using real numbers and how to stress test your own retirement plan. Not to scare you, but to prepare you. Let me be honest with you. For the past few years, we've all watched our money lose purchasing power faster than we expected. Groceries cost more, energy bills have jumped. Even a simple coffee feels expensive now. And if you're in your 50s or early 60s, like many of my viewers, this hits differently because you don't have 40 years to recover. You're looking at maybe 10, 15, 20 years until retirement, or you're almost there. Here's what most people don't realize. Even small differences in inflation assumptions can completely change your retirement outcome. A 3% inflation rate versus a 5% inflation rate doesn't sound like much, but over 20 years, the difference is enormous. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean with actual numbers. Alright, I've got my free retirement starter sheet open here. This is the same tool I'm going to share with you in a moment, completely free, and you can plug in your own numbers. Let's imagine you're 50 today and you'd like an additional 2,000 euros per month on top of your state pension to live comfortably in retirement. That equals 24,000 euros per year. Now, let's assume the optimistic scenario everyone talks about. 2% inflation, the normal rate, the one all the retirement calculators use. Look what happens over 20 years. By the time you're 70, you'd need 35,600 euros per year just to maintain the same lifestyle you have today. Now, if you've been saving and investing and your investments grow at, say, 6% per year, your 100,000 euros in savings grows to about 321,000. After adjusting for inflation, that's roughly 215,000 in real purchasing power. Not bad, right? You're actually growing your wealth. That's the scenario most retirement plans are built on. 2% inflation, steady growth, everything going according to plan. But here's where it gets interesting. What if inflation doesn't cooperate? What if instead of 2% we get 5% for the next 20 years? Now, before I change this number, I want you to make a guess. If 2% inflation means you need 35,600 per year, what do you think 5% inflation means? 40,000? 45,000? 50,000? Take a guess. Okay, let's see what actually happens. Look at that number climbing. 35,600, 42,000, 51,000, 58,000, 63,600 euros. That's how much you will need. That's 165% more. That's not a typo. That's what 5% inflation does. Let me put that in perspective. If 2% a month feels comfortable today, that's a nice life, right? Modest but comfortable. At 5% inflation, you'd need 5,300 a month just to maintain that same lifestyle. That's more than a lot of people's entire salary. That's the monthly rent of a nice apartment in some European cities. Now look what happens to your investments. Your 100,000 still grows to 321,000 on paper. Sounds impressive, right? But after adjusting for that 5% inflation, that 321,000 euros only buys what 121,000 euros buys today. The number looks bigger, but your actual buying power is much less. Same savings, same investment returns, completely different outcome, just because inflation stayed higher. So there's the full picture. 2% inflation equals 35,600 per year, the dream scenario. 4% inflation, 48,700 euros per year, the middle path. 5% inflation, 63,600 per year, the stress test. Which scenario are you actually planning for? And here's the critical part. If your retirement plan still works with a 5% return, then anything better than that is simply a bonus. Okay, I know that was a lot of numbers, but stay with me because what comes next is the most important part, what you actually do about this. Because here's the good news. I want you to hear it. Even at 5% inflation, if you're investing and getting 6 to 7% return, you're still growing your purchasing power. Look at that again. At 5% inflation, your 100,000 euros still grew to 121,000 in real terms. That's 21% real growth over 20 years. Not amazing, but not a disaster either. And certainly better than keeping it in a savings account where it definitely loses value. That's why we invest. Not to get rich, to stay ahead of inflation. But, and this is crucial, you need to know what you're up against. You need to know whether your plan works at 2%, 4%, or 5% inflation. And the only way to know that is to test it. So that's what inflation does. And that's why I built this tool, because I needed to see these numbers myself. I needed to know if my plan would hold up. And now you might be watching this thinking, okay, but what about my numbers? What about my situation? That's exactly why I want you to download this free retirement starter sheet. The link is in the description. It's a Google Sheet. You just click the link, make a copy, and it's yours, completely free. I want you to have it. Then you plug in your own age, your savings, your expected expenses, and most importantly, you test different inflation scenarios. Test 2%, test 3, 4, 5%, test 6% if you want to really stress test it. See what happens to your plan. Because here's what I've learned. If your plan works at 5% inflation, anything less than that gives you breathing room. More flexibility, more options. But if your plan only works at 2% and we get 4 or 5%, that's when people have to make difficult choices later, working longer, cutting back on lifestyle, compromising on the retirement they imagined. Stress testing gives you something priceless. Time. Time to adjust your savings rate, time to rethink your investment strategies. Time to recalibrate your expectations while you still have options. Look, I don't want you to leave this video feeling anxious. That's not the point. The point is you're thinking about this now. You're not ignoring it. You're not just hoping everything works out. You're preparing. And when you prepare, when you stress test your plan, you found out exactly where you stand. Maybe your plan is already solid. Maybe you discover you need to make some adjustments. Either way, you'll have clarity. And clarity is everything. None of us can control inflation. We can't control the economy. But we can control how we respond. We can control whether we've thought it through. And we can control whether we've built a plan that's resilient. That's what stress testing is about. Not fear. Confidence. So grab that free retirement starter. The link is in the description. Spend 15 minutes with it and see where you stand. Test those scenarios, get your clarity, and let me know in the comments. Which inflation scenarios are you planning for? 2, 4, 5%? Are you worried? Are you confident? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.